So good day. This is the video presentation of structural theory 2. So I have here the Castigliano theorem for beams and frames. So we have the formula of this. This given symbol is external displacement and the derivative of L over O, integration, then moment over this. So moment over P in the derivative of EI, dx over EI. So where this is the displacement, what do you call this? The external displacement in the integration, L over O. And then we have here the internal moment in the beam frame, and then we have here the derivative of EI. So the E is the modulus of elasticity of beam, and I is the moment of inertia cross-sectional area. So we can change this as formula. So if the slope theta of the point is determined, we must find the partial derivative of the external moment m with respect to an external couple moment acting at the point. So magkakaroon tayo ng formula pag i-derive natin to. So we have kung theta na substitute natin, i-change natin to into theta. So this is changed. So theta is the integration of derivative L over O moment, then moment I dx over EI. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So we use the subscript for M acting at the point. So external couple moment yung ano yan, kaya tayo na ganyan. So we have the written the written problem here. Okay. So the problem says determine the vertical displacement of point B of the beam shown below. So take E is equal to 200 GPa and I is equal to 500. This 10 over 6 millimeter to the fourth power. So this is the given so the diagram. So this is the figure. So we have the beams and the length of 10 meters and the distributed load of 12 kilonewton per meter. So kailangan gumawa tayo ng to solve for this. So gawa tayo ng pre-body diagram. This. So external force P, vertical force is placed on the beam as shown below. So kailangan ito lalagyan natin to dito ng force P. So yun yung gagawin natin sa pre-body diagram. Yan. So lalagyan natin dito, and then we have the loads, distribute load. (12 kilonewton per meter), and then we have the length of 10 meters for the beam, length of the beam. And then we will going to, as on Castigliano theorem says, we will going to place an X here. So external force M, the X coordinate is needed for the solution. So because the beams are no discontinuities between the A to B. So using method of sections, so himay-himay natin to. We have here the X. Okay, X. So ito yung X. So this is the force B. And then, kailangan natin dito ng moment. Magmo-moment tayo dito. Kasi dyan tayo nag-cut. Then, we have here the P. So, yun yung P. Ano nang magiging dito ngayon? So, yung atin ngayon dito, dahil 12 kN yung kanina, yung force dito na distributed load, and then yung X yung kinuha natin. So, ang ating force na dito ngayon is 12X. Yan na yung load natin dyan. And then, this is X over 2. Ginagawa lang natin to para magamit natin yung formula. So, as shown in the diagram, so we can write the moment. So, the summation of moment is equals to 0. So, ganyan tayo pag nagmo-moment. So, kukunin natin lahat ng given. So, the moment, the length, the P. So, we have here the moment M minus the 12x. So, yung 12x. And then, x over 2 minus px is equals to 0. So, pag solve natin yung moment na yun is equal to, moment is equal to negative x, 6, negative 6x squared minus px. And then we have here, coming from the formula, p is equals to negative x. So, next step natin is setting the P ito. Yung P natin is equal to 0 yields. So, bakit yon? So, malalaman natin yan mamaya. And then, M is equals to negative x, 6x squared. Natin to. Hanip na ano to, nagka-cut-cut yung aking video. Is equals to x, negative x yan. Okay. So, ito yung mga given natin. So, applying the equation. So, yung equation natin kanina. Saan na ba yun? So, from the equation kanina, yung binigay nating equation. So, applying the equation. Ang ating equation ay nawala na. So, sige, isulat lang natin. So, yung equation natin is the change of P is equal to the integrate of, ano na nga yun, L over O, the moment. So, here and then alpha, what do you call this? Alpha or, so, pabago-bago kasi siya na. And then, the derivative of x, ei, is equal to, so yun na, substitute natin yung ating nakuha. So, we have the length of 10, 0, so, negative 6x squared minus x dx over ei. Okay, so yan na, makakuha tayo dito ng sagot na is equals to we have here the 15 10 to the third power kilonewton per meter cubic meter over ei. So, substitute na natin siya. Change in B is equals to ito 15 times 10 the power of 3 kilonewton per meter equals to, we have the E. So, yung E natin kanina dito, ito yung E natin, 200 GPa. 200 GPa. Ay, hindi natin palagay yung GPa. So, kasi solve na. 200 times 10 is to 6 kilonewton per meter. So, continue. Naputol tayo kasi puno ng storage, nagkakat-kat. Kilonewton per meter per cubic squared. So, squared to times 500 10 over 6 millimeter fourth power times 10 minus 12 fourth millimeter 4. So, pag in-compute natin to sa calculator, so, kinompute ko na kanina, nakuha tayo ng sagot na 0.150 meters, which is equal to 150 millimeter. So, this is the vertical displacement. This is the vertical displacement of joint B. So, this is our final answer.